Understanding friend in passing, navigating casual friendships. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, friend in passing. You might have heard it in conversations or come across it in books, and wondered what it exactly means. This phrase is not just about words, but about the subtle nuances of human relationships. So, let's explore it together and understand its meaning and usage. A friend in passing refers to a person with whom you have a casual or superficial friendship. This is someone you might not know deeply but share friendly exchanges with when you happen to meet them. It could be a neighbor you greet, a colleague you chat with during coffee breaks, or someone you see regularly at the gym. Importantly, the interactions with a friend in passing are usually pleasant but not deeply personal. You might talk about the weather, recent news, or general topics, but rarely about personal life events or emotions. Let's identify some key characteristics of a friend in passing. 1. Occasional interactions. You meet them sporadically, not regularly. The meetings are often coincidental or based on shared routines like commuting or exercising. 2. Limited personal knowledge. You know basic things about them, like their name or what they do, but not much about their personal life or deeper thoughts. 3. Pleasant but superficial conversations. Conversations are friendly and polite but stay on the surface level. Topics are general and not emotionally charged. 4. Low commitment. There's no obligation or expectation to meet outside the usual context or to offer support during personal hardships. While the connection with a friend in passing might seem minor, it plays a significant role in our social lives. These interactions can brighten our day. A friendly chat can lift our mood and add a pleasant moment to our routine. Expand our network. They introduce us to new perspectives and can sometimes lead to more meaningful friendships or professional connections. Offer light social interaction. They provide a sense of community and belonging, without the emotional demands of close friendships. So, a friend in passing is more than just an acquaintance but not quite a close friend. They're part of the beautiful spectrum of human relationships that add variety and warmth to our daily lives. Remember, every deep friendship once started with a simple hello. I hope you found this video helpful and that it added a bit more understanding to your English language journey. See you next time.